What makes you think you can trust me?
I don't. Mother did.
I'll tell Father what you did here today.
I didn't do it for him.
Do you enjoy killing?
I'll kill you.
What, like you did your mother?